Hi guys, this is how I synchronize the Deepcool Castle with Corsair iCUE. My motherboard have adjustable LEDs header and I can control Deepcool Castle LEDs. Unfortunately, I can only use Armoury Crate and I'm not able to synchronize it with the rest of my setup. With this procedure we can use Deepcool Castle with Corsair iCUE even if the motherboard is not supported. First of all, turn off the PC and disconnect the LEDs connector of the CPU cooler. We will need to modify some wiring, so if you still have the original package, take one of those extra cables and work with a cable that you don't need. In this way you will be able to revert the changes. Cut the motherboard side of the cable. Connect the cable with an Arduino Micro. Insulate the Arduino with shrink tube or insulating tape. Connect the Arduino to PC through USB and program it. On Corsair iCUE software, select HD Fan, has device connected. Deepcool Castle have 12 LEDs inside, so this fan is a perfect match for configuration. Finally, after a month, I can see my CPU cooler follow the rest of my setup. There is only one problem left. With this USB cable we can't close the case of our PC. So we take an USB header from another PC and we join with the micro USB cable. We need to obtain a cable with one side micro USB and another side USB header. If this video was helpful, subscribe to my channel and leave a like. As always, I recommend you to double check the wiring, because there is the possibility to damage your motherboard or the LEDs of your CPU cooler. Thanks for watching.